At 18, I had a plan. Graduate with honors, secure a job with a sought-after employer, pursue postgraduate studies, and so on.
Hello! Good afternoon to everyone! And syempre, ang mga minamahal nating mga walang hiyang estudyante. Yes, at sa ating mga very special guest this afternoon. And welcome to Walang Hiyang Estudyante Awards 2024!
Sobrang saya, sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam na ma-recognize ka as a working student na nare-recognize din po pala yung hard work mo, yung pagpupursige ko sa pag-aaral ko para makatapos.
I just want to also thank bukas na nakakatuwa. Nag-vote kami na may award din yung mga champion na sobrang thoughtful na of course we should also always recognize yung mga support system ng mga every successful person. And thank you bukas.
Walang mas lalaki pang reward na nakikita mong masaya yung anak mo. And happy ako, happy rin yung mga bata, at happy rin yung mga kapwa ko magulang. Thank you for bukas for giving the opportunity to recognize the struggle of these young people.
Everything seemed to be going my way until it wasn't. It was a terrifying realization. Changing course felt like admitting defeat. But my parents were my anchor. Without their love, encouragement, and unwavering belief in me, I would not have the strength to embrace that second chance.
Yung walang hiyang estudyante is akmang-akma to what bukas represents, which is laging merong tomorrow, laging bukas or open ang possibilities.
Naniniwala po ako kasi na walang sino man o anuman ang makakapagdikta kung ano yung para sa atin. Because gaya na sinabi ng bukas, we are continuously creating our own path. And that is why I'm here and I refuse to give up. And that makes me your Walang Hiyang Estudyante Awardee 2024.
Success does not rely on the course that you take, but on the path that you take to reach your own goal.
To bukas, thank you for creating a platform for people like me to share our stories. What you're doing for us is a truly noble endeavor. And to everyone who may hear my story, remember this. When you change your mind, meet roadblocks, and need to start over, there is no shame in creating your own path. Sa'yo ang bukas.